If you're diving into the world of smart homes, you've likely heard of Home Assistant. But does it truly live up to the hype? Today, we're peeling back the layers to see if this platform is worth your time and investment. Home Assistant is an open source platform designed to bring all your smart devices together under one roof. Right off the bat, you'll notice its flexibility. It's compatible with a wide range of devices from lights and thermostats to more niche gadgets. The user interface is clean and relatively intuitive, which is a plus for newcomers. What stands out is its automation capabilities. You can create custom triggers and actions that allow your devices to work in harmony. For example, you can set your lights to turn on when you arrive home or adjust the thermostat based on your schedule. However, this power comes with some complexity. The initial setup can be daunting, especially if you're not tech savvy. While there's a vibrant community for support, some users might find the lack of a straightforward guide a bit frustrating. Overall, it's a robust tool for those willing to invest time in learning its ins and outs. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Home Assistant is incredibly versatile and customizable, which makes it appealing for tech enthusiasts who love tinkering. The community support is also a huge plus, with plenty of forums and resources available. However, the steep learning curve can be a turn-off for casual users. If you're not comfortable with technology, you might find the setup process overwhelming. Additionally, while it's free to use, the need for a dedicated server can add hidden costs, especially if you opt for a more robust setup. In terms of trust, being an open source platform means it's continuously evolving, but it also means you have to be cautious about security if you're not up to date with best practices. Overall, it may not suit everyone, but it's a gem for the right user. In conclusion, Home Assistant is a powerful smart home platform, especially for those who love customization and have the technical know-how. If you're looking for a user-friendly option, you might want to explore alternatives. But for tech enthusiasts ready to dive deep, it's definitely worth a try. Just be prepared for a bit of a learning curve.